Welcome back, everyone. It is your non-neighborhood neighbor. It's October 7th, 2025, and I'm currently at the Circle Hotel parking lot doing another video. But I wanted to show you guys what it's like driving from the downtown Las Vegas, the Circa, to Hoover Dam. Do a little day road trip. So as you can see, I'm at 68%, 206 miles. And I put the Hoover Dam Visitor Center, and I should be there in about 43 minutes, 37 miles. And here's the route it's telling me to go. I've never been there, so I'm excited to see it. It's about 1:50 p.m. So we'll see how it goes. There's a lot of construction going on right now. And we're off. 93 Phoenix entrance. So far so good. It's been about 15 minutes and I got about 25 minutes to go. The weather's pretty good right now and there's no traffic. And I'm currently passing through Boulder City. Looks pretty cool. I've never been here, so looks very interesting. I'll definitely do a video one day here. I'm not sure why I'm on the street though. I was just following the navigation system. Look at that. It's so cool. So beautiful. So I pretty much made it. I'm not exactly at the Hoover Dam or the Visitor Center, but this is one of the stops along the way, nearby, that you can do. I think there's a scenic view around here. You can see all the electricity things over here. And I made it with 173 miles, 57%. So not bad. And I'm gonna go check out, film a little bit, show you guys this area, and then we'll go to the visitor center about 0.8 miles away. And here is the parking lot. It's a bit of a small parking lot, but it's not full right now. I think because tourist season is over. And then you go up there, and they do have some bathrooms over here. And that's the road that takes you to the visitor center. It's called the Welcome to the Memorial Bridge Plaza area. Got some rules over here for the people. There's the view at the bottom. And here's the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Whew, we are high. Oh man. I'll walk a little bit because I am, for the most part, afraid of heights. And we're really, really high up. Wow. That's right next to the road, so it makes it a little bit scarier. Oh my god. There it is, folks. There's the Hoover Dam. Woo! And the bridge is shaking. I am not going to walk all the way over there. But there's the dam. There's a lot of people walking the bridge. And the cars are right there. And that's as far as I'll go, because it's so beautiful though. There's the state of Nevada. And we're going back now. Whew. Oh my god. Please like this video because I started to get really nervous. The bridge does shake quite a bit, especially when the trailer trucks drive by. Oh man. I can use a drink right now, but I can't. Gotta wait till later. But you can walk the whole bridge over there. It's so cool. And there's the Arizona time. Awesome. And we're pretty much here now. I drove all the way across the Hoover Dam. There's a couple parking spots that you can do. There's a big building over there where you can park. There's some right here once you drive all the way to the dam. And there's another one over there, and there's this one right here. Just depends whatever you want to stop by and check out. And I believe I am now in Arizona. So that's pretty cool. And over there is Nevada. Now let's see. Wow. So cool. And there's more parking area right over there, all the way behind. Also, it is like kind of hot right now. It's October 7th and it's about 84 degrees. It's dry though, but imagine coming here during peak summer. So, and there is signs all around to bring water. Don't leave your pets in your car. So make sure if you come here, bring plenty of water, because yeah, it's kind of hot. There it is. So amazing they did this back in the day with the technology they had. It's a bummer the water levels are going down though. You can see the lighter rock was where water used to be. Now it's all the way down to the bottom. Oh yeah, and that's the bridge I was at. So you can see it's pretty long. I guess it goes from Nevada to Arizona side, but yeah, it's a little too much for me. I'm not gonna hide it. So I just walked a little bit of it. If you're afraid of heights, let me know also, because a lot of people won't admit it. Here's more. I wonder what the nets are for. But you can see where the water levels used to be. And it's not too busy right now. So it's a good time to come during the off season. Well, at least during the week, because today's Tuesday. There's a couple of tour buses I've seen, but not bad. And this area right here, you can pay to park $10. I think because there's some shade. But let's give you a closer look down there on the bottom. Yes, you are a little bit closer, but not too much. So I ended up parking at the visitor center, and it was about $10. And they said you can park here till 9 p.m. And it is a little closer to the actual Hoover Dam. But if you don't want to pay those $10, you can just park where I was earlier over there, all the way in the back, and just walk down here. And they do have tours that they offer, which I won't be doing this time, but next time I for sure would do one of them. And these are the tours they offer for $40 and $25, which you can get at the visitor center booth over there. And you do have a cafe area and a little gift shop right there. There's where you buy your tickets. They do have restrooms, plenty of parking, about 5 levels. So elevators, restrooms. You can see Hoover Dam over there, and food and gift shop over there to the right. And you just walk over here. So it is worth it for the $10 if you don't want to walk from all the way over there to the Hoover Dam. Wow. Whew, it's high. We got a water fountain over there. You can refill your water too. And it looks like they had a construction crew mascot that they found as a puppy. And it grew up as they were building the dam. Seems like everyone loves the dog. There's the dam. We are pretty high up here. And now we're towards the Nevada side. Wow, super high. I'm still nervous, it's still really high. There's the bridge again. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. I'm showing you guys all the angles because it's just so cool. Oh boy, I'm getting closer to the edge. And there's the Arizona time. Just can't believe it's so cool. It's my first time being here. Definitely, if you come to Vegas or neighboring cities, come and check it out because it's so beautiful. And there's a building down there. And this is facing the other side of the dam. Awesome. And for the Hoover Dam, at least this area, that's about it. I showed you guys all the angles from back there, the parking area that's free over there. There's the bridge that you can walk also. There's the visitor center area and where you take the tours. And then you can obviously you can drive through it too. It's a cool experience. Here's a little plaque that says Nevada to the left and Arizona to the right. A modern civil engineering wonder of the United States. One of the 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers. And here's what you can do on your way back to Vegas. Keep it from the Hoover Dam Memorial Bridge. Lakeview Overlook. There's the Boulder City Museum, Boulder Beach. You can travel the historic road trail in either direction. Cool. And that's the bridge where you enter and exit. Here's the little sitting area to eat some food. And here's inside the cafe area where they have food. Some burgers, coffee, pretzels, smoothies, that kind of stuff. Got sodas, cold waters. The candy area. It's really cool in here. There's good AC. And here's a souvenir shop. More stuff over here. T-search. Got some pins over here. Jewelry. That kind of stuff. Gemstones. Alright folks, so that does it for the Hoover Dam. It was really amazing being here. So cool. But also scary for me because I'm afraid of heights. I'll admit it. As I said many times before. Now we're off back to downtown Las Vegas. And let's see how much range we have on the way back. And I'm at 56%, 168 miles. It says it'll take me about 53 minutes, 37 miles. And it looks like there's a little bit more traffic now going back. So we'll see how it goes. Back to the circle. There's Lake Mead on the side mirror. So far so good. Not much traffic. And I'm at 127 miles. There is some traffic now. And I have about 20 minutes left. Alright, so I made it. I'm back in the parking lot again. And the final numbers are 117 miles. 39%. So not bad. From the Hoover Dam to downtown Las Vegas. So even if you were at a low state of charge, there is some superchargers in Henderson and Boulder City. So you would have been fine. Also, I did use the AC a little bit at number 4, I believe. So that did affect the range a little bit. But not too bad. As for the Hoover Dam, it was amazing. If you're in Las Vegas or the nearby cities, definitely check it out if you have a chance. Everything was great about it. It was super easy to get to. There was plenty of parking, maybe because it was October, but I assume it's going to be more packed during the summer, peak summer. It was a little hot, I will say that, and there's a lot of signs to be careful with your pets, your children, have plenty of water. And there's also tours you can do for about $25 or $40. So you'll be there for quite a bit. I left at about 1 p.m. and I got back at 6. And I didn't do the tour, so if you do the tours, you'll be there definitely much longer. I would recommend going in the morning, or maybe towards the evening, where it's not as hot. Also, it'll be cool to watch the sunset or the sunrise from there. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, put it in the comment sections or on Instagram. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe.